So this arrived today. No, not the FMS FCX24 Discovery, but this battered old box. And it's travelled halfway around the world from China and arrived today looking a little bit worse for wear. What's inside is something I think is quite interesting and will add value to this 1/24th scale crawler. Welcome to RC Scale Tales. It's box opening. Let's waste no more time. Let's open up and check out what's inside. Enjoy. So essentially this is how it arrived. Obviously take some of the tape off. But inside the contents are loose. They're not packed in any shape or form. So let's open up, see what's inside. Got some instructions and a pile of yellow printed parts. Now what we've actually got is an obstacle suitable for a 1/18th scale, 1/24th scale truck. And when assembled, this will be 1.2 meters long. The parts are obviously 3D printed and snapped together using these kind of bricks, which are not dissimilar to that famous building toy that we all know and love. This is how it came. The box is a bit battered. The inside looks like everything has survived the journey. It comes with one set of instructions. So what I'm going to do is sort out the parts and we will assemble it, and then we'll give the little Discovery a try on the obstacle. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So there's 23 parts in all. Various shapes. Half circle ramps, triangular ramps, steep ramps. We've got some bases, an on and off ramp, a tower piece and shorter base pieces. So it looks like this should be quite easy to put together. So what I'm going to do is take it to a bigger space. So say this is 1.2 meters long. Assemble it. You can have a closer look. There we go. The finished course. Goes together very well. Each piece fixes together just like a building brick toy. It's quite sturdy. There you go, let's give it a shot. There you go. That's the 3D printed obstacle for 1/24th, 1/18th scale crawler. Very cool. You can buy different kits to give you different courses, and they can all link together. This one's just over 1 meter long. And a lot of fun. Let me know what you think of the course, the obstacle, the video, the channel. Good or bad, I will reply. Please like and please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next RC Scale Tales video. All the best now. Bye bye.